welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video, I will be reviewing Alipearlhair. So I am reviewing this legitimately for me and for my subscribers and fellow YouTubers who really just want to know truthfully about this hair. So I'm not affiliated with this company at all. It's my first time ordering from them. I purchased this with my own money. I have the receipts to prove so. So yes, I have not worked with the company. This is not free hair. I just ordered this hair because I needed something short and simple and affordable without breaking my pocket, and something I've never tried before. And I just decided that if I'm gonna install it, might as well just film doing so and just give you guys just a little info for free. So I wrote down some points that I wanted to talk about before I even get into this. Okay, the lace. The lace is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. It says it has baby hair. I did see like a few very thin amount of baby hair, but I had to create my own baby hair. So shipping. The shipping, it was fast. It came within a week. So that's pretty reasonable for me. It got shipped through UPS. I think it's UPS or USPS. I don't remember 100%, but I'm just gonna say that it was USPS that is shipped through. The smell. So when I got the package, I ripped it open just to peek at it a little bit. And when I opened the bag, it did have a weird smell. It did have that smell that, you know, wigs tend to have. And it did have a weird smell. The next morning though, as I was filming, the scent was gone. So I don't know if it's because it was locked in that package for days, it developed that smell. I don't know, but it had a smell in the beginning, and that's just that. I won't lie on that. It did have a smell. I've ordered it before that don't have smells, and this is the first one that I've actually received that did have a smell. So I just want to let you guys know that off the bat, because that is a deal breaker for a lot of people. For me personally, it's not really, because once you wash the hair, the scent should go away, and I automatically wash my wigs. So the hair is super soft. It was shiny when I first got the hair. Once I bleached the knots and washed the hair and everything, the shine did disappear, but the softness of the hair is still there. Like, it's still soft, it's still nice. It lays nicely. So yeah. Customer service. Customer service was awesome. I personally can appreciate them for emailing me. So when I placed the order, they emailed me to say thank you for placing your order. You should receive another email with your tracking number. I received the email with the tracking number the next time. They emailed me twice to let me know that my package has been shipped, and they emailed me again with the tracking number. And once it got delivered, they emailed me again to let me know that my package was delivered, and I should check to make sure that it was delivered. Oh, and I forgot, when I first placed my package, they emailed me to let me know that they have received my order, and they wanted to make sure that I double check the address to make sure that the address was right on there before they can continue with my order. And if the address isn't right, then I have an opportunity to correct my address before they ship it, just to, you know, make sure that it's going to the right place, which I can definitely appreciate it, because a lot of times when you purchase something, you might misspell the name, or you might put in the wrong zip code, or something just didn't go right and it got shipped to somewhere else, and then you're mad at them for not shipping it to the right address when sometimes you just messed up. Did the hair shed? So I feel like because it's such a short wig, there wasn't any shedding at all. And if you don't trust my word for it, my YouTube account does say a lot, because right now as I'm filming this, I only have 418 subscribers, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys have been showing me so much love and support, and I so appreciate it so much as a small YouTuber. With that being said, a lot of people will not sponsor you because you don't have a lot of subscribers. So how many people can you actually convince to buy their hair, or to buy their stuff, or purchase, or even... With that being said, trust in my opinion on Alipearlhair would probably be more accurate than all these other YouTubers who are reviewing hair, because 99% of them are getting the hair for free. And in the meantime, while I am being a small YouTuber, I feel like I have the advantage of being truthfully and honest with these hair companies. So this is what the bag looks like. It comes in a satin pink bag with Alipearl logo, and of course it says 100% unprocessed human hair. We'll be the judge of that. So in the bag, we're just gonna empty it out. empty satin bag. So in my hand, I have some lashes. I guess these are free because I didn't pay for them. It comes with a wig cap. It comes with, this looks like a scarf or a headband or a head wrap or something. Oh, so it is a scarf or a headband, whatever you want to call it. And of course we have the wig. And on the bag it says a cap size medium, hair density 150 because that's what I chose, and it's 14 inches. All right. And that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching thus far. I will say real quick, while filming this video, I probably didn't notice that the camera wasn't, I didn't press record while I was cutting the lace off and then laying it down. So some of the footage are missing, but it's really not a bad, it's really not a bad video. It's not bad enough where I won't post it. So yeah, if you guys realize that I probably skipped some steps or you guys didn't see something, like, you know what, it's fine. I will do more wig videos, and I've done wig videos in the past. So yeah, so guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you guys like the hair, honestly, I'm not sure about the rest of their wigs and their hair quality or whatever, but this bob wig is fine. Like, let me take this headband off so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Like, it's fine, okay? It's what's up. So y'all know what to do. Click that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be the first to get notified when I post if you click that little notification bell. And please comment down below what you guys think of this hair. If you guys have purchased the hair, what's the good and bad of it? What have you experienced? All that good stuff. And all the link of the hair will be down below. And the specs, if you probably have missed it, I will put all of that in my description box. Please remember to also follow me on Instagram at Abby-licious. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.